Yeah.
Ballymahan man as well.
I am indeed.
Born and bred.
Yeah.
Through and through.
Is it a birthday or what?
No, we just said we do it for the crack.
Just for the crack.
Yeah.
It's Beanie's 21st. We don't know Beanie, but we'll be able to say it's his 21st. Now steady on your brake. Now get off it now and bring it right in. Let her flow. Hold it there. Don't give her any more. Now give her a bit of gas. Let the steer back. Go on, give her a bit of gas. Open your wheels and give her gas. That's the boy. Lift it now and bring it in on the line. Now wait on it. Now give her a bit of gas. Steady. Bring her in. Start to feel your right foot and open her up. Go on, give her gas. Give her gas. Give her gas. Give her gas. Get her in there and give her gas. Right foot. Go on, get her in and give her beans. Go on, you buy it. Now you brake steady. Some car isn't you, Damien?
Yeah, that's for sure.
And clutch in, use your brakes, let it slide. Now drop the clutch into the middle, go on. It's the boy up in the second and you're away, good lad. Go on, Steve. Take her into the middle now, Damien. This time you're just going straight on down the back, is that alright?
Yeah.
Just watch this corner tightens forever, is that alright? Handbrake for the finish, lower down, clutch in, now drop the clutch into the middle and then down in she goes. It's the boy, down in. That's the boy. You enjoy that, Daniel?
Oh yeah, I did, yeah. It's good crack, alright.
No, just start. Is that alright?
Yeah.
Absolute gentleman.
Cheers, you
well
too.
done.
Thanks
alright. Now, just take your time, get out, there's no rush, buddy, alright?
Cheers.
Well done from Beanie.